My name is Jim Benzoni. I'm an attorney in private practice in Des Moines, Iowa. I've been practicing immigration law since 1993. I began teaching the basic immigration law training course in 2000. We started teaching it in the basement of the local church that had a large Hispanic congregation. The first course was being taught basically to nonprofit personnel. Since that time, I had more and more requests from private practice attorneys. We ended up breaking up the course into two separate tracks, one for private practice attorneys and the other for nonprofit personnel. Now, what I've done for this course that you'll be viewing is we've recombined both those tracks. So this course that's being presented is made for both nonprofit personnel and for private practice attorneys. When the course is completed, you should have a complete understanding of immigration law, both in theory and in practice, so that when you walk away from this course, you can actually begin your own immigration law practice and do it on a solid and a competent basis. This course covers very little business immigration law. However, many of the items discussed are pertinent to both business immigration law and family immigration law. If you want to focus on business immigration law, there are materials and classes available elsewhere. This course is set up like building a house. First, we lay out the foundation, then we set up the framework, we put on a roof, install some windows and doors. We go inside, we put in the wiring, the plumbing, maybe lay a little carpet, some drywall, some paint. When you walk away from this course, you will have a complete and logical structure of both immigration law in theory and in practice. It will be up to you to take what you've learned here and actually implement it in your immigration law practice or in your private practice or in the nonprofit setting. To take this course, you do not need any background in immigration law. This course is designed for the beginning practitioner to set up and practice immigration law on a competent basis once they leave this course. We will teach you the nuts and bolts of immigration law practice and procedure. Those of you who actually have gone to law school will have some advantage in that you're going to understand the terminology. If you have your own private practice, then obviously you're going to understand a lot more, and you should find that immigration law practice will dovetail neatly into your already existing law practice. This seminar is based on materials put together by the Immigrant Legal Resource Center of San Francisco. It is a semester-long course which I have compacted into a one-week basic intensive training seminar. Now, this seminar is broken up into video segments. Each video segment will be assigned materials. It is important for you to review the materials prior to viewing the video segment so you have some familiarity with the terms and the concepts being discussed in each segment. Additionally, each video segment builds on the preceding section, so it's important that you watch each video segment sequentially so you understand each one that follows. Now, in reviewing the materials prior to viewing the video, it's important just to review them cursory. You do not need to read them in depth. If you have some familiarity with the terms and the concepts, it's going to make it much easier for you to follow the video itself. The course is designed so that each video segment is marketed separately. This will allow you to pay for each segment as you have sufficient funds and time to take the course. In this way also, you can take the course at your convenience. If you want, you can take a segment and about a week later, take the second segment, and so on. Again, it's important that you read the materials prior to taking each segment. Additionally, we do have available continuing legal education credit depending on your own state CLE rules. We do not actually apply for CLE for you, but I will assist you in obtaining CLE credit from your local CLE commission. It will be your responsibility to obtain the necessary forms and follow the rules because it is just simply too complicated for us to try to get CLE credit from 50 different jurisdictions and the District of Columbia. I will tell you that Each time we've applied for CLE credit in the past, we have been successful in being granted the accreditation, provided we follow each state's rules. As you go through this seminar, you will have questions. I'm going to ask that you write the questions down. When you have completed the entire seminar, at that point, please feel free to email me at the email address shown on the screen, or visit us at our website and email us there. Thank you for taking this seminar. Now, kick off your shoes, sit back and relax, grab a cup of coffee, your pen and a pad. Take good notes. And when you complete this seminar, get out there and practice law with some gusto and fervor. I think you're going to come to love our clients and you will serve them well. I thank you very much.